on week number 2 at the Cul-de-sac Cutie. If you're new to the vlog, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Chelsea from Just Meet Chelsea B. I'm a blogger, a runner, a realtor, and we flip houses. And this is our 5th project. It was a super productive week at the Cul-de-sac Cutie, and I can't wait for you to see everything that we tackled this week. So let's just go ahead and pick right back up where we left off last time. We started the new week off with a few floor samples from Lowe's to see if we liked these tones with the paint colors on the walls. Neither of these were a win just yet, so we're still on the hunt for the perfect one. The next thing on our list was to get rid of the old hardware on all of the doors upstairs. Then it was time for some serious patchwork all throughout the bedrooms upstairs. After we let that dry, I got started on painting all of the doors. Then we got started on more trim work and painting the closet. I took a work break to run up to Home Depot to get a few paint essentials. These 18-inch rollers are a total time saver, along with a few extra paint trays and a large paint tray for the rollers. A trip to Home Depot isn't complete without a quick run into Target. I grabbed a couple of these garden gloves because I knew I'd need them. Wednesday morning started off with more trim work all throughout the house and a little bit of extra tight spaces with the ladder. But we're really loving how this paint color is looking so far.
Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
And Thursday was when the yard work began.
Making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby. And I think
18 plus bags later, and we were finally cleaned up. In the front yard, that is. Then it was time to hit up the backyard. It was quite a mess.
I will always be by your side.
And just like that, it was like a whole new yard.
You glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
On Friday, we got to pick up our very first piece of kitchen hardware. I am absolutely in love with this matte black faucet. We're doing all black hardware throughout the entire house, so this is going to be quite the accent piece. And then Saturday, the demo began. Nick got the floors completely ready and started on the subfloor replacement. This should be super fun to clean up, but I'm excited for new carpet. Then the fun part came. Nick got to take off all of our countertops while we wait for installation coming this week of our new granite countertops. It seriously looks better already. Then it was time to install the new dishwasher, our very first appliance upgrade in this house. Week number 2 at the Cul-de-sac Cutie. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope that you'll stick around. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel with your notification bell turned on so that you don't miss an update along the way. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, Lordy. Are you ready for this?